Hi guys, today we're painting our cardboard sculpture, so I just wanted to talk about a few things really quick. So I'm using just our primary colors, which are yellow, red, and blue. So I wanted my house to be yellow, but not that bright. So I'm going to add some white to it to make it a little bit lighter. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of purple to my yellow, which I know is kind of crazy, but if you add a color's complement, it's going to kind of tone down that color. It makes it a little bit grayer, a little bit less bright. So this might be something you want to do. I want you to experiment with mixing colors for this. And then I'm just going in and I'm painting, making sure I get under all the details, like every part of my sculpture in between those windows, all of that, even underneath the roof bits. And I even went in and did a second coat. This stuff dries really fast on cardboard, so it should be pretty easy. You might have to just wait a minute. Now I'm gonna mix all three of my primary colors together to kind of get a weird brown green color. If it's kind of one color more than the other, you can always keep adding. Um, and that's going to be my roof. For these, we don't want to use water because it's just going to soak into the cardboard and give us soggy sculptures. So make sure you're just using paint. You can always switch brushes if you need to. This last thing is a dry brush technique where I'm just getting a little bit of paint on my brush and just kind of swiping it over the parts of my sculpture that have texture. It was kind of hard to do with one hand while I was filming there. I'm doing the same thing for some highlights on this section, which you can see a little bit better. But I just want you to experiment with how you're going to paint it. Make sure you have a good layer over all of the parts of your sculpture. And you can always do 2 layers if you need to. Um, and make sure you're not getting a soggy sculpture. But hopefully you have your color planned out and are ready to paint today.